Hello kids, let's learn A to Z with food. A is for apple. B is for broccoli. C is for cake. D is for donut. E is for egg.
F is for French fries. G, E, is for grapes. H is for hamburger. I is for ice cream. G is for jelly. K is for ketchup. L is for lime. M is for milk. N is for nuggets. O is for orange. P is for pizza. Q is for quesadilla. R is for radish. C is for steak. T is for taco. U is for udon noodles. V is for vegetables. W is for watermelon. X is for Hemania. Y is for yogurt. Z is for zucchini. Like, share, and subscribe. Bacho ki dunia. Bye bye kids.